Hello! Today we're going to be putting together everything we've learned about how healthy body systems work together to deliver the molecules our cells need in a model. And by understanding how healthy body systems work, this will also help us understand what's happening with Elisa. We know there's something going wrong in her body, and we really need to help. So, the question you will be answering in your model is, how do systems of a healthy body work together to deliver molecules to the cells? We'll be supporting the claim that in a functioning human body, systems work together to deliver glucose, oxygen, and amino acids to the cells of the body. In your model, you're going to show how the respiratory, digestive, and circulatory systems work together to bring oxygen, glucose, and amino acids to the body's cells. Now, your model is going to include a couple of things. It should include evidence from the articles that we read in class, our lessons, and our explorations in the simulator. I have put together this evidence for you in an evidence file. You can find it in the Google Classroom assignment, or you can click here within the document and it will take you to this evidence file, which I'll show you first. Inside the evidence file, you will see evidence from the simulator, okay, and this is showing how those molecules move. The oxygen molecules and the glucose molecules move in a sample model. Maybe yours will look something like this. I've also included evidence from our reading of Molecules Cells Need, and this just explains what the molecules are, how we get them, and what they're used for. And then, of course, and importantly, evidence from our reading Systems of the Human Body. And so this includes direct text evidence from your reading about how the systems work together and what their jobs are to transport those molecules. So these are all pieces of evidence that you can use in your model. Okay, so you can access them here or in Google Classroom. Now, in your model, I'm going to want you to include a visual, either a picture, a 3D model, it could be a computer model, we'll talk about that, of the systems and cells working together. It should include a written explanation of how the systems work together, and this is where your evidence can come in from the work that we've done. In your model, you're going to want to make sure that you include, label, and explain the role of the circulatory system, digestive system, respiratory system, the body cells, and the molecules the cells need, glucose, oxygen, and amino acids, and how they work together in a healthy, functioning human body, which is our claim. Now, to complete your model, you have lots of options. You can do a 3D model, so if you want to get funky and creative with some things at home, you can do that. You can do a 2D drawing model, and with either of these options, you can upload pictures to the assignment. You could create a video and upload that to the assignment explaining how it works. You could also do a computer model. So you could do a Google drawing, you could make a slide or a slideshow. You could use this document to put some pictures and text to create your model. Have fun, be creative. There's also the rubric here to review for how I will assess you. So we'll be looking, are you creative, insightful, and compelling? Does your model include visuals that really explain? Does it include lots of details and evidence that deepen and strengthen the model, including all the must-haves? Is it well organized, clearly focused, and coherent? Is it easy to understand? So these are the things that I'll be looking for. Of course, the must-haves are all these things listed above here. Good luck, scientists. Remember the models that we reviewed together. They had pictures, words, arrows, and they really explained the process.